Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. So let's get right into it because we're doing what? Transfer Tuesday. I'm so excited, y'all. If you have been on YouTube for a while, you know that Pennies Over Perfection had been doing this for a long time. She actually just stopped doing it about a month or so ago, and she's moving on to other things. But within that last couple months, I see my girl Tasha over at Mind Your Money. Everybody will be linked down below that I'm talking about. Please check their channels out. Mind Your Money has been doing it to pay off her family car that she just purchased. And although I saw Pennies and Perfections do it, something about when Tasha did it made me feel super accessible to me. Like it felt like even if I just put $5 or $2 or a few cents, it would make a difference. So I decided that I was going to be doing Transfer Tuesdays to pay down my iPad. Now my new friend Medora Budgets, Monique, what's up girl, has also been doing it. Her video she dropped this morning and mine is dropping in the evening. So I hope you check her out as well. She will be linked down below. And my girl Sabrina Budget was doing it, but I'm not sure if she's still doing it. But that's the intro. So let's get into see where we're at with our card. Right now, we are in our settings. And because I'm on the iPad, this is where I see it at. I go down to Wallet and Apple Pay. Let me zoom y'all in and act like y'all want to see. Okay. Then we have, as you can see, my Apple Card balance is 0. You guys, I did go ahead. Can you see? It's $0. I did go ahead and pay something towards the $9.99 that was open. That was the last time we were here. Now let me show you what I did to pay that off. I go to transactions. So here's the transaction log. I had gotten back a cashback reward of $24.04, and there was only $9.99 on this. So let's calculate real quick. If it was $24.04 and I $24.04 and I owed $9.99, that means $14.05 was left. Remember that. So $14.05 that was left went to the balance of one of the installments. So as far as the Apple Card goes, I don't plan on charging anything else. That $9.99 was just for my Good Notes membership. I've been enjoying Good Notes, and hopefully I'll be able to share some videos with y'all on that soon. Now let's talk about my installments with the wallet. Under my Apple Card, there are my monthly installments right here. There are 2 of them. If you see here, one of them has been completed. It's done. So we're working on this particular one. Hey, do y'all see that? It's $4.93 now because the last time we paid on it, we paid a little extra, but that extra $14.05 went to bringing our balance down. So woohoo, we already got $14.05 to adapt. Let's go into my Good Notes because I created a little tracker for it in there, and I'm going to share with you guys my planner. This whole budget planner I downloaded. It was a really good price at the time I bought it, and I want to share with you in case you're interested for 2024. So under finances, there's I think it's a debt tracker. So I set up a little debt tracker, and when we last left, we were at 508 on 10/14. But now we're at 493.95. So if it's 508 minus 493.95, a difference of $14.05. I just wanted y'all to know. So let's go ahead and update my tracker really quickly. So I just copied the line, and I'm gonna make this payment $14.05. And so if I had 508, I don't know why that's $14.05, but if I had 508 and then I just paid $14.05. Well, I didn't on the 18th. I did at $493.95. So this should also be changed to the 18th. And this should say $493.
usually. All right.
So that's where we currently are. On 10/18, we made a payment of $493.95. Extra pay $14.55. So back to this. Back to our card. So it concerns me though that my thing still says there's something due on the 30th, 31st, but when I called there, she told me nothing's due until November 30th. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's go and talk about how we're going to make another payment. I'm so sorry this is so long. I wanted it to be under 10 minutes. How we're going to make another payment is I got a YouTube paycheck, y'all. So we're going to go into Capital One. Shout out to you guys, because without you, I would not have this paycheck. There is recent transaction of $104.08 right there from Google. If y'all can see it, $104.80, excuse me, from Google right there. So let's figure it out. Let's budget with 104. We have $104, and then we have minus 10% is $10.40. So basically it's going to be $10 for tithes and 20% will be taxes. So $10 for tithes and $20 for taxes. So I'm just going to write it down right now because I don't want to hold y'all too long. So of my 104.80, I'm going to do $10 to tithes. And then we're going to do $20 to taxes. These are in my Ally Bank, so I'll transfer these after. But okay, so let's do our number. 104.80 minus 30 minus 10 for taxes. Tithes, and 20 for taxes. Leave us with $74.80. And that's what we're going to pay towards. Actually, no. I'm going to put $25 towards YouTube. Just to stay in there because we're getting close to that 2,000 mark and I want to do a giveaway. And so we're going to put $49.80 towards the iPad today. And that's going to be the breakdown. So let's go ahead and move some money around. Let's transfer $25 to YouTube. So from Tara's Major Keys to YouTube Boss, we're sending $25. Oh, I wish. $25. Submit. Optional. We're going to say it's our DYJTJ Pay. YouTube Pay. And then we're going to submit and we're going to slide to transfer. Slide to confirm. Success. We sent over $25 to my YouTube Boss account. So this is done. Now 10 plus 20 is 30. So I'm going to transfer over 30. Here's the Zelle I'm sending to myself. $30. $20 to taxes. $10 to tithes. And then I'm just going to send. Slide to send. Same. Boom, 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 boom. All done. Success. So I sent money to Zelle. So these two transactions are done. And we only have $49.80. So this $49.80, I want to leave here. But I also need to remember that I'm going to put that I put $49.80 into my circle challenge, right? So $49.80 divided by 25, because each circle is 25, is 1.99. I'm going to color in 2 circles in the circle challenge. And I'm going to go ahead and color in 2 of these circles. Just want to keep up with it because we started it. And then I'm going to also fill this tracker out as well. So I'm just going to lasso this line. Paste it down here. And rude. This is going to be for today, which is 10/29. And then our extra payment today is $49.80. And then our new payment amount, if we had $493.95, and then we're paying $49.80, we should be down to $444.15. Oh, I like that number. $444.15. Okay. So our tracker here has been updated to show what we're supposed to be going to pay now as an extra payment. So now that we've done that, let's go and make our payment. So we're going to go to our monthly payments. We're going to go to the one that we owe money on. We're going to hit pay early. We're going to continue. And we're going to pay another amount. And we're going to pay $49.80, which is already in our main account. So it works out. It's $49.80. And so let me bring y'all out some so y'all can see the buttons at the bottom. And it says pay $49.80. Capital One, perfect. We want it to come from our Capital One bank. Bing, bing. You paid $49.80. Done. It'll be clear. It really will be cleared in 24 hours. So amazing. So it says we should have $441.15 remaining, just like we thought we was gonna have when we calculated on our tracker. So I'm so excited. I'm really hoping this date changes and they don't ask me, but even if they do, I still have money in my circle challenge to cover it. So it'll be fine. That's not where I want to go. It will be fine. However, we are matching in our balance with what we're matching on our credit card. So we're on our way, you guys, and I will see you guys next Transfer Tuesday. And by then, October 31st would have passed and gone, and we'll know whether or not it worked, whether or not the date changed, or if they're going to say I owe something. And at that point, I'll also show you if I had to pay an additional amount. But yeah, y'all, we did it. Thank you so much for rocking with me. I know it's a little shaky and it's a little longer, but I pray that this gets faster as we go. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.